Welcome to the official channel, Health and Beauty Products. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Health and Beauty Products channel. Today we are very excited to talk about an incredible product that will revolutionize your beauty routine. Place 2 full droppers under your tongue in the morning before breakfast. Hold the tincture under your tongue for 30 seconds before swallowing to maximize absorption. If the flavor is too strong or you prefer another method, dissolve 2 droppers full in a glass of water and drink at once or divide into 2 portions. You will love the results and feel the difference with each drop. Sugar Defender is a powerful and effective blood sugar support and all-day energy aid. Thousands of people enjoy taking Sugar Defender every day with great results, and we have yet to receive a single complaint. Once your body adapts to the ingredients, you'll notice less hunger, more energy, and better blood sugar readings. We are all different, and that is why the time it takes to see results varies. Most people start to notice a difference after the first week. In our testing, the best results occur when you take Sugar Defender consistently for 3 months or longer. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you take advantage of our 3 or 6 bottle discount package. I require you to be excited about your purchase, not just satisfied. And you won't know until you try it. So you can use Sugar Defender for 60 days. With my no questions asked 100% money-back guarantee. The only way to be fully convinced is to try this amazing formula and experience the results for yourself. To make sure you are buying the original product and ensure the purity of the ingredients, only buy from the official website. We'll ship your order directly to your home or office using a premium carrier such as FedEx or UPS. We strive to ship all orders within 24 business hours, and to make things easier, you will receive an email with your tracking number so you can track your package. On average, the package will arrive at your door within 5 to 10 days for domestic orders. To purchase Sugar Defender, you just need to make a one-time payment on this page. There are no other future payments required to benefit from this product. This site is highly secure. We use industry-leading technology like SSLs to keep your information secure and private. Using the link below in the video description, you can purchase the product with an exclusive discount for our followers. Do not miss this opportunity. Now let's talk a little about how to use this product. It's super simple and practical to incorporate into your daily routine. Just follow the instructions on the packaging, and you will start seeing amazing results in no time. So don't wait any longer. Click on the link in the description. Purchase your product and start feeling the difference in your health and beauty. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments so we know your opinion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.